Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Fast drying and super absorbent VEELOIM stone bath mats are highly absorbent, evaporating and drying quickly. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Sustainable and high-quality materials crafted from Diatomaceous earth, our stone mats for bathroom are safe and this is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Safety anti-slip design. Our diatomite stone bath mat has a textured surface designed to increase friction, while for most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are cleaner home, time saver, and easy routine. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it, full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the home cleaning find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.